Hi students, today we will be discussing about few of the topics of PAB analysis. Today the government has introduced a new scheme called Sankalp Se Siddhi. So if you have any willpower, it can be easily achieved. So this is related to the Tribal Affairs Ministry that was started by the TriFed. So let us add a digital connected drive. It is a digital connect drive. So initially before going to this topic, we will be going through few lines about TriFed organization. So what is a TriFed? It's a Tribal Cooperative Marketing Federation of India. It's a marketing federation of India. It is a national level cooperative body under the administrative control of Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. So it was a cooperative society that was formed together by the tribals, and this is very important, especially for marketing their forest produce so that they can earn something and have a better livelihood. So it was established under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act in 1984 under the Ministry of Labor Welfare, but now it was under the Ministry of Labor. So the TriFed under the Ministry of Tribal has now launched a scheme called Sankalp Se Siddhi, Village and Digital Connect Drive. So to sell their farm produce, if we can use the digital platform like online platform through e-commerce mode, they can even get a greater remuneration and greater price for their product. So the government has decided to have a digital connect of their marketing. So around 1500 villages in the country will be covered in the next 100 days under this scheme. So the main aim of this drive is to activate the Van Dhan Vikas Kendras in these villages. So we can know that already there are Van Dhan, so forest done means produce. Vikas Kendras, how we can market these forest producers in a better way to get a better pricing was so these one then Kendras are established. So if you can see the figure, this is a kind of a meeting that was organized. This is a kind of a self-help groups so that they can discuss about their products and how they can market well and how they can promote. This site of guidance will be given in these Kendras. So we are integrating with the digital platforms, these Kendras. So this is a mechanism for marketing of minor forest produce through minimum support price and development of value chain for this minor forest produce. So minor forest produce means a small products that can be these tribals collect in the forest. That is like wood or timber or some other things. So that they are value addition is being done. How to value add and how to market these products is being taught in this, and we are connecting to the digital market digital platform so that it can be gone through wide world over and the country, it can be spread all over the country and the wide, and e-commerce can be a sort of e-commerce can be done for these products, so that introduce the value addition and marketing to tribal groups and clusters. So the objective is for ensuring the fair prices for the tribal gatherers, and primary processing, storage and transportation can be enhanced by this project. So it is a scheme. So it is expected that Sankalp Se Siddhi will aid in effecting to a complete transformation of the tribal ecosystem across the country. So this is a wonderful scheme that we are connecting the di- digital digital platform with the marketing of these tribal products so that they can get a better price for their collecting which they collect from the forest, so that is the forest produce can get a better price, better marketing and better value addition and better value chain. So thank you very much.